welcome back to Mixy videos by Sam. In today's video I'll be sharing some paper craft math shapes decoration ideas that are perfect for preschoolers. These ideas will not only help children learn about different shapes but also allow them to get creative and have fun. So let's get started. In this video I will share a math shapes that use paper craft techniques. We will share such as squares, circles, triangles, rectangles and more shapes. Each shape will have its own unique decoration idea which will make the learning process more engaging for the preschoolers. To create these decorations you will need some basic craft supplies such as color paper, scissors, glue, markers. Not only will these decorations make the learning environment more visually appealing, but they can also be used as teaching aids. You can hang them on the walls, use them during math lesson, or even create a math themed bulletin board. So, if you are searching for creative ways to teach math shape to preschoolers, this video is perfect for you. Join me in this fun and educational journey as we explore the world of papercraft, math shapes, decoration ideas. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one. Thank you for watching and keep watching our channel. Goodbye.